Hi, this video demonstrates how to use the Installer Kit configuration tool for unsupported device models and versions. Please ensure the configuration tool and project devices are on the same local network. Step 1. Create new project. Once you're on the home page, click the New Project button to start setting up a new project. On the project creation page, enter the project name and the number of buildings, then click to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Install and configure project devices. View the detailed installation guide for supported device models, versions, and installation steps. For unsupported devices, you can follow the instructions in this video to complete the configuration. Install and power on the devices in the apartments and public areas. For apartment devices, use the Installer Kit tool to scan them, enter the apartment number, and add them to the project. For multi-tenant door phones, use the Installer Kit tool to scan and add them to the project. Step 3. Configure on the Installer Kit. After installing and adding the devices, check the Installer Kit tool to confirm whether all apartments and devices have been properly added. After confirming the accuracy, synchronize the configuration from the Installer Kit tool to the devices in the project. The door phone will generate a resident contact list, enabling calling and monitoring within the local network. Step 4. Upload the project to the cloud and create app accounts. If the Installer Kit tool has internet access at the project site, the installer can upload the project data to the cloud directly. Otherwise, you can connect to the internet at the office and upload it later. After being uploaded to the cloud, the corresponding project will be automatically created on the cloud. When the indoor monitor in the apartment has internet access, a QR code for SmartPlus account registration will automatically pop up. Residents can download the SmartPlus app and scan the QR code to register an account. After logging into the app account, the homepage displays the associated devices, allowing users to make calls, unlock doors, or monitor. When the door phone calls the apartment, both the app and the indoor monitor will ring simultaneously.